I'm gonna teach you how to achieve this glow effect in After Effects without plugins, making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 70 of 365. I think we all use the normal glow in this way, like we apply this glow, we increase a little bit the radius and maybe the intensity, and that's all. We have this effect. We can also move the threshold, but it's the same thing. I'm gonna teach you a way to improve this little glow without having to use any plugins or anything. It's with the same glow, so here I'm gonna add the same glow. I'm going to reduce the glow intensity to 0.5 and increase the radius to something like 50. Okay, we have this little glow, and now I will duplicate this glow with Ctrl D, and this time I'm going to increase the radius to something like 200, and I will do another duplication, and this time I will increase it to 500, and let's do one more. So duplicate again, and this time increase the radius to 1000. And you can see this really different result that we have compared with the other way of using the glow. It's just making some copies of the glow and increasing the radius. You can also increase the intensity, but it could make it worse, like here. So that's why I like to keep the intensity low, like 0.5. Also, you can change the threshold, decrease the threshold in the last glows to make it like more white. But I tend to keep this to 60%, and only the last one I can sometimes decrease the threshold. But here's the best part of all of this. You can skip that part of making the copies of the glow by applying just a preset I made for you. You can download it for free in the description. To add the preset here in After Effects, you have to go here in Effects and Presets, go to Support Files, Presets, open any of these folders and select any preset, and click here in the hamburger and select Reveal in Explorer. You will see these presets. Go here to presets, and now you can drag the preset in the description here. So you just have to drag this here, click in continue. Now you can close this and click again here and click in refresh list. And now you just search the glow, search better glow, and here you can apply to any layer, and it will automatically apply all of these copies of glow. So it is easier for you to add this better glow. So yeah, that's all for today's tutorial, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow with the next tutorial. See ya!